So on the far side, on the, let's see, passenger side, it's actually can't reach in with your fingers to thread the screws in, so magnetic pickup tool to the rescue. So what I'm going to do is I put them in the hole with the pickup tool and use my long extension to bolt them in. Fortunately, they are pretty well aligned, so it's not difficult to start them. Yeah, there's certainly a lot of stuff here, which, all of which I have to figure out exactly what connects to what and not miss anything. It's going to be exciting. Wow, this one, interesting. Okay, I can thread it in that way. I wonder if the extension has a clear shot there or not. Do you push this hose aside? Yes, it does. Only just. And only with this long extension would this have been possible. Now, of course, hopefully it will come out, which sometimes can be a problem, and not drop the socket in there.